Atumia aria marahuranira iturwa ngurani cia kiuteti ni moritio mahuranire ite icio matagwitigira kunyararwo kana kunyamario ni aru nao. Minister Nkaiserry niaugite thirikari ni igacithiritie ugitiri icigo 24 iria igumagirwo ni ngahiha muno guku bururi-ini.
2017 general election is free, fair, peaceful and credible, and I'm happy that the chairman of the IEBC is here and the government is going to ensure that these elections are going to be secure. We have made plans to ensure that these elections are going to be free.
Nake minister wa mibango ya muingi na mbeu njithi Thirikari ni oritie nyumba cia umemerekia ikorwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuiyukia na gutigirira atumia ateti ni maheo gitio bururi-ini hindi no uteti ucacite handu ha kumemerekia maundu ma kumanina hinya na njambio citari na uigiririki.
We just felt that the heat at the space of either the MCS or the 47 affirmative seats, we just felt that kivumbi will be between one lady and the next lady and the next lady.
Hindi oyo muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihakanio wa Fula Chebukati ni akinyiriirie kuga ni mambikite mitaratara yothe ya thirikari utigirira ithurano ni ciatabanio na njira ya waraganu na ho akoria andu matige guthikiriria mihuhwirira atambio ni ateti amwe ya guthukiriria uruti wira wa kamiti iyo.
But I want to assure you as chairman of IBC that we have put all systems in place to ensure that come the 8th of August we give you a free, fair and credible election.
Nake mubunge wa Runyenjes niwe Sisiribarire ni ugite ni maguthiururuka guthi bururi-ini kunyita baru ateti atumia 150 aria mahotanire ithurano-ini cia wamurani niguo gutigirira ni mayukia na mbere yandikithitio ni katiba ya mwaho wa 2-3.
I pray to God that we can have 100 of you minimum winning. Because if we can get the 100 of you win, then we don't have to even fight for these 2/3. We'll tell them chukueni ni yenu.
Giripotera Kameme TV ni getwo Wambui Njihia.